Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove widget from your home screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is select the widget you want to remove, and okay guys, I select the Google search widget. And okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold the widget, and after that, okay, you can see the X on the upper left side of the widget. And okay guys, you all have to do to remove this widget is press or click the X on the upper left side of the widget. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the Google search widget in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.